My dear student, so let's start exploring the Leaf editor. As you can see, you can start editing the page and header. I would maybe start editing the header. What you can see, the header is like layout. So this means that this header is inserted into all pages and you have a control over it, and theoretically you can decide about more headers that I will be talking more about layouts later. But first I would love to explain a little bit how you can edit the header. As you can see, you have the global layouts, and this comes really handy that you can have, for example, more headers. For example, you can define different header for 404. But what I would love to show now is how you can actually edit the header. As you can see, you can again edit it in the backend mode. It's quite easy. So basically you define you would love to have like the same, you just edit it and you would love to have logo. I think this is more pleasant to edit in the Leaf editor, as you can see, because you can more imagine it. So you can see it's organized. This is 25%. So you can decide the size to be percentage, or for example, 1/2. Then again, this is 50%. And this is basically, this is 25. So it's more easy to imagine this way. And then basically you can change it. You can, of course, clone it. And what you can do, as you can see, you have the image options. So you click on it. And basically what you can do, you can just click and you can change the logo. So that's quite easy to do. I was already showing that you change the logo in the options. So maybe I should show it once more. If you go to the avatar options, you have also the logo and favicon upload. So that's quite easy to do. The same, what's really pleasant is the menu. So basically the menu is very easy to edit, but you can define some more options if you want. You can define even submenu, and the way will be working the drop down. But let's make it really clear. We wanna now edit the menu, and the menu is edited in the appearance. So it will just guide you. You go to appearance, menus, and then you can easily define, edit the menu. You basically just can use the most recent pages, all pages, or you can search for the pages. You can, of course, use your post from blog, custom links, categories, or even special items, like for example, WooCommerce card. That can be quite pleasant. So to give you example, if we go here, so you can more imagine on the Leaf project. So you can see that you can basically here have a card, which is quite handy. And again, you can edit the menu. And as you can see, you can have the card, which is really pleasant, so people can click on the card. Then again, you have the logo, as you can see. And then again, you can, for example, have element with search. So you just basically add element for search. And what's really pleasant, you can even call up code block options. So for example, as you can see, we need to change the currency. So we have installed the plugin, and basically we just use copy paste the code as you get from the plugin, and you can just add this short code and you have the change for the currency. So basically let's return back, and now you can again just have the button what shall happen. So we will go to contact, and then basically you can also define the icon, and the icon is ready for you to open the way that it will open the contact form. So this is really pleasant that you can like decide more live, and you can define how your menu will be. And it was especially really pleasant here when I needed to add some options, you know, like calling the switchers. It can really come handy. So then basically you can really be more in control to add, for example, the search or the currency or switch for language, whatever you need. But basically I think you will be really happy with this. And then of course you just add to menu this way. So it's really easy. There is nothing really special. What you can actually do, you can click for options. You can choose for mega menu that I will be explaining a little bit later. You can also choose icon, and you can also choose only icon. That can be sometimes handy, for example, for add to cart, or you can have just icon, or for options that you like for example my account. And then also the removing is really handy, and then you always need to remember to save it. And then basically this is the live editing of the menu. And basically, as you can see, when you get a little bit adjusted, it's really easy to use, and there is no obstacle for you.